All right, so I'm gonna be removing this old LIFX strip underneath this entertainment center. And the reason why I'm removing it is because the hub for this, the one that controls it, is plugged up downstairs in my office, and that's controlling my desk light. So I no longer use this here, and I want to remove it so that I can put in the Govee light strips that I also don't use in the area where it's at. And I want to repurpose it and use it here. Now I have a 16-foot Govee light strip, so I think it's enough for me to do all that I want to do here, but we won't know until we start, so let's get to it. This is a light strip that we're going to be taking upstairs. All right, so the reason why I want to move this light strip upstairs is because one, I don't use it down here that often. And two, let me see, do I need to get these strips off? Two, the living room area gets pretty dark throughout the day. So I don't get enough sunlight in there. And as we all know, sunlight affects your mood and whatnot. So I don't have a lot of sunlight in there, so I don't usually be my happiest when I'm in there. So I wanted to add these light strips so it could, you know, bring some light up in the living room and kind of make me feel a little bit better. You know, I normally like that feeling when I have the when I had the light strip set up before. So I'm like, okay, well, why not do it again? But this time, instead of using the LIFX bulbs, or the LIFX strip, I can use this Govee light strip. All right, so I'm probably gonna end up using this painter's tape to put underneath the entertainment center so that I can stick this Govee strip to it, so that when it comes to taking it off, I can just pull this off and I won't have to worry about the fake wood or whatever it is on the entertainment center coming off. So that's something I might do. All right, so now that I got the lights from downstairs, now I got to clear off the entertainment center so that I can install the lights. I don't know why I sat down, but let's get to it. All right, so the sun's about to set, and I actually wanted to go outside and get some drone shots today. So we're gonna take a quick pause and go get this drone footage, and then we'll be right back.
Take off. Home point updated.
All right, now that we got our flight in, let's get down to business. I'm starting by removing the LIFX strip underneath the entertainment center. I decided to put 3 rows of tape on the shelf because I wanted the most coverage over the lower shelf. That also meant using the full length of the shelf from end to end. Once I got the tape down, I started putting up the Govee strip. It was real easy to do. I just used one hand to guide the strip and the other to press it up against the tape. I still had the command strips that were used when they were underneath the cabinets, so I peeled them off with each section that I installed. I was nervous when I got to the corners. I wasn't sure how I was going to turn the cable without damaging it, but somehow I figured it out. I must have remembered it from another YouTube video that I watched. I was so happy that it was going well that I didn't consider how I was going to run the cable to the compartments without the power cable or the remote showing. And the way I was going about it now, it would have definitely led to the cable showing. So I stopped what I was doing and went behind the entertainment center to figure out another way to do this. I installed the remote right above the cutout so I can control the strip manually in case there was an internet outage. It also made it easy to test and make sure that it was working. Once I knew it was working, I got back down to my mechanic position and pulled down the Govee strips to start over again. Yeah, it sucks, but if you're gonna do it right, right? My thought process was to start from the end of the strip and work my way to the start of it, hoping that I would be able to get it across all 3 compartments. At this point, my arms were getting tired, but I was motivated to keep going. Even the dust that fell into my eye couldn't stop me. I just shook it off and put my hater blockers on. After I made it around the shelf, I wanted to test the lights again to make sure that they were still working and didn't have a shortage in them somewhere. Cool, we're all good in the front. Let's make our way to the back. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want to place the strip so that it can cover all 3 compartments and look professional. I did a quick test to see if I like it, and it looked good, but it wouldn't have covered as much of the compartments as I wanted. My next step was to remove the hooks for the wall mount, and it kind of worked, but I wasn't sold on it. So I'm back to square one, trying to figure out what else I can do to get this strip over the compartments. And then it hit me. The one thing I didn't try, probably because it required more effort than I was willing to put in, but at this point, I was in it to win it, so YOLO. For this, I needed to take the TV down. I was gonna loosen all of the fasteners to remove the top shelf completely, but I decided to only focus on the middle ones first. I loosened them up, pushed against the top, and created a gap big enough to slide the strip through. I think I can make this work. I started by sticking the strip against the edges of the board to make a seamless transition to the top. The next part was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I had to push up on the board with one hand and funnel the sticky strip through the gap without crushing one of the nodes on the strip. Yeah, this was fun. One side down and the other one to go. Why am I doing this? Spoiler alert, it was just as hard as the first one. Alright, so the light strip is fully installed. Let's put everything back and see how it all looks together. I just broke something. But yeah, that's my Govee Light install. Looks pretty good if I don't say so myself, but either way, you made it this far, so I know you don't hate the video, so drop a like to show some love and hit that subscribe button on your way out. And if you're new here, welcome to the Tech Tribe, where the vibes are good and the content is better. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.